Hello, my name is Susanna Huang. I'm responsible for Ginlong US business. On behalf of Ginlong Technologies, we welcome you to celebrate with us. First, I want to give a brief introduction of Ginlong's history, then talk about where we stand today. Then Antonio Central from AEE Solar is going to talk about our strategic partnership between Ginlong Technology and AEE Solar. Then we will talk about the third-party inverter testing and qualification program by DNVGL. That is the first ever inverter testing in the industry. And like any great company, Ginlong started from a very humble start. It started with one person who wanted to make a difference in the world. And Jimmy Wang was the founder and the CEO of the company. He started Ginlong at his dormitory when he was doing his unpopular research topic called the Great High Inverter. And I call him the great dropout, like many entrepreneurs in the US. He seek the business opportunities in the US, in the solar inverter industry, and he quit his PhD study and started the Ginlong Technology in the dormitory. He could not start it in the garage because he does not have one. So anyway, that's our initial story. Ever since Ginlong has led the inverter innovation in the solar industry, we become the first inverter manufacturer that achieved the G83 UK certification in 2006. Then in 2009, we achieved the certification in the US and also in Australia. And in the last 2 years, we have released the very innovative products such as Solis Mini, the world's lightest inverter that is only 13 pounds. And we have a 4 MPPT string inverter, that's a big one over there. And that is also the first 4 MPPT string inverter in the market. And I came from the electrical engineer background by myself. And I started working with Ginlong about 4 years ago and attracted by the magic of the solar technology. And I was also inspired by the spirit of Ginlong technology, which is very unique in the industry. And we set a great goal to be the world-class company from day one. And we work with top-class companies in the world. And this company actually challenged us to become as best as we can. And over the last few years, we have seen the great shift in the inverter market globally. Our hard work has been paid off. We don't want to be called the cheapest Chinese inverter manufacturer. And we want to build a world-class reputation, famous for the quality and the reliability. And while at the same time, we can provide an affordable product to the global market that help more people to enjoy the renewable energy. So if you see where we stand today, we now have the largest market share in UK for the residential inverters. And we have occupied the second place in Australia for our inverter products. And in the US market, the market situation also changed, led by the large solar integrated installers who have the technology and the resources to evaluate the inverter products. And Ginlong stand out from this due diligence, including the several factory audits, and including the third-party qualification program done by the DNVGL. And DNVGL has been the leading technology advisory company. And this is the first time they introduced the inverter qualification, including the reliability testing to the inverter products. So we have done our due diligence to work with these great companies, and we become better every day. And we want to become better every day. And this year, in February, Ginlong inverter has been selected to be installed on Eiffel Tower in Paris. And it's a great testimony about the Ginlong product which is a combination of art and engineering. And I also believe that our philosophy on simplicity and elegance also play pretty well in this market. With all that said, and I want to also tell you a great customer testimony from the AEE Solar. Last year around the same time, the AEE Solar's former president over 30 years called David Katz visit our booth, and he was impressed by the beauty of our Solis inverter, and he bought an inverter and installed it at his home. So with that said, and that's just a sad story about our collaboration with AEE Solar, and I'm going to turn my speaker to Antonia Central, who is a general manager with AEE Solar, to talk about our strategic distribution partnership.
Thank you, Susanna, for giving me a few minutes here to talk about AEE and about our partnership. I will say that we are very pleased and excited to be partnering with Ginlong. We're always looking for innovative and cost-effective products to distribute and to offer our installers. And we're always looking for companies that are aggressive and that are willing to drive growth and advance our industry. Ginlong clearly fits this profile quite nicely. The products are not only excellent from a technical and innovation perspective and quality perspective, but we also are able to position those products in a very competitive manner, and we are convinced that by doing that it will become a very successful product that will be an excellent alternative to other inverters in the market today. Hopefully this will result in additional sales and wins for our installers. So we feel very positive about the product, and we think this is going to be a long-lasting positive relationship and very good for the solar industry as well. Thank you.
I also want to talk a little bit about the DNV-GL third-party testing and the qualification program. Over the last few years, we have been telling our customer, Ginlong has the most reliable product in the marketplace. We have highest quality, but it's hard to convince our customers with our inverter manufacturer's own words. And we are very happy to see that DNV-GL came out with a new program since last October, where they tested the inverter product in the field and also in the lab environment. And their testing is a complement to the safety testing typically held in the industry. And what is unique in their program is reliability testing in a very high heat and humid environment, and in very cold, freezing cold, and humid environment, as well as the cycling testing in the high and the cold environment. So Ginlong successfully stand out among that testing. It gave the credibility for inverter manufacturer, and more importantly, it gave the confidence of the solar industry for the project developers, for the homeowners, and we help them to protect their project investment and reduce project risk by offering the highest quality product. So with that said, we are very happy to form that strategic partnership with AEE Solar, and we want to advance the solar industry together with our friends, solar friends in the industry. Thank you so much.